Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Dr. Mukul Sangma ubalong unong yalam jongkal yang persya ka ying dorbar thau an. Ula penrem jur ye ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance. Da ka bakenno. Bakam shim ladon satya ya ka jingkit kli ban shim kia ha ka bayadei bat ka jing ya keren penbej ya ka jing ya ka jiaput bat ka Sorkar Assam. Ha ka jing ya keren bat kilat pathai kubor Dr. Mukul ulaong baka jing lang jong ki MLA ka seng Congress ka balalong ha ka khat khandai tri gubna jilleo arajar arpuway kala dawa ya ka Sorkar jilla baka dei ban shim kia ban ya keren no mardor halor ka ne ka jing ya ka jiaput bat ka Sorkar Assam.
Pertaining to here again, the whole lack of commitment and responsibility to defend the interests of the state, to defend the integrity of the interstate border of the Assam-Meghalaya border. Today we were discussing, it came up in our discussion as one of the agenda, where the complete indifference of the government and complete dereliction of the sense of responsibility as an elected government pertaining to its responsibility to protect the integrity of the interstate border of the state. They don't even talk. They don't even try to find out. When petitions after petitions, representations after representations are submitted to the government to take cognizance of those areas where problems are there, where government has to promptly attend to and somehow ensure that the process of any encroachment doesn't go on. But this government, I have not seen any government in the past from the creation of the state who have not responded to this kind of very important responsibility vested upon the government. Where have their priorities gone? Is it not an area of priority? Is it not something which has been part and parcel of the promises that has been made by the political parties who are in the government in their respective manifestos during election? Is it not included in the manifesto of these political parties? Has it not been an issue which has been there before us all along? Contentious issues which has evaded solution, but it required addressing every areas of concern pertaining to the areas of difference in as far as the interstate border is concerned. This government has been seen to demonstrate complete insensitivity and complete lack of seriousness, complete indifference to the issue, and relinquish itself from its responsibility. I condemn this attitude of the government. And the CLP has unanimously decided to urge upon the government to be serious and take cognizance of these problems and engage with the counterpart immediately. What is legacy? Government is a continuous process. Governance. Okay. We are sitting under the roof of this particular hall. This is also legacy. Okay. Built during our time. Getting Meghalaya state. Legacy. Creation of Meghalaya. Legacy. That's why we are here. Because of legacy. Yes. It's a continuous process. Now, this irresponsible strategy adopted by the current incumbents, starting from Chief Minister to other ministers, legacy. Do they understand that this whole responsibility of the government is to shoulder the responsibility as a government, not as Mr. A or Mr. B. The government of Meghalaya, we call it government of Meghalaya. Okay. This is not the government of Mr. A or Mr. B. Or it was not the government of erstwhile Mr. A or XYZ. It has been always government of Meghalaya. If there is a litigation between the state as respondent, okay, who will represent? If this litigation continues for 20 years, who will be attending as a respondent on behalf of the state government? If the state government is the respondent, that is what we call continuous process, continuous responsibility, continuity of responsibility. Now say for example, they are taking loan. They want to take loan. Do you mean to say that, oh, this loan has been taken by during Mr. A's time, so it is not our responsibility? What is that legacy then? If they understand their legacy, if they're borrowing, they should repay immediately, within 1 day or 2 days. Do they know that they will be in the seat after 2023? Is it their permanent post? Why are they borrowing them? Huh? Are they not borrowing? Are they not taking decision to sell something for 30 years, 25 years? They are taking the people of the state for a ride. They are not giving that statement to Dr. Mukul Sangma. They are giving that statement to the people of the state. Are they thinking that the people of the states are so novice, socially and politically? It's an insult to the people of the state. Are they not deciding to take loan? I think yesterday there was another decision of the cabinet to decide upon borrowing to construct something. Will they pay it back from their own pocket? Is it their private property? Will it not be passed on to the government in the succeeding years? So this is called continuity of responsibility. They don't know this. Even after being in power for 3 years, they have to reap. It's talking like half-educated people. Yes, I'm sure. They're talking like half-educated people. Irresponsible and talking like half-educated people. I'm sorry. It's nothing personal, but it's a response to their unprofessional way of telling something to the people, thinking that the people of the state are novice. The people of Meghalaya, we must have high regards to our own people. Anything that I'm speaking is with a purpose to communicate to our beloved people, not to them